Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen again. I have another haul for you guys. I know, right? Too many hauls, but I think you guys are liking my hauls. Okay, so yesterday was the last day for using that Joann's coupon, and even though I'm not the Michaels near me, you know, they're only giving me 67% off, it's still a good deal. And so anyway, I was at work yesterday, and then on my way home, there was a different Michaels on my way home. So I thought, you know what, let me just see, and you know, I wonder if they're gonna honor the coupon again. Maybe I'll have a better luck. And once again, you know, same deal. I still got 67% off. And but they did have a SKU this time. Like she was able to actually scan it. So anyway, but it was still 67% off. But I just thought I'd stop by. I was looking for a specific sticker actually that was on their website, but when I got there though, it was sold out already. So yeah, unfortunately. But anyway, let me just share with you guys what I got. So I did want to look at their Craftsmith $2 bins again, and because my Michaels, they really didn't have any more of these stamp sets, and I never did pick up any of the stamp sets, but for 60 cents I was gonna pick it up this time, and this was the only one that I found that I really liked. There were a couple of other ones. I was hoping to find maybe a unicorn one if they had one, but I thought this one was cute, and it says be unique, and it's a mermaid, so 60 cents. So again, just to let you guys know, the Craftsmith $2 items bins are 70% off at Michael's right now. I'm not sure exactly when that ends. It might be just for this week, but just to let you know. So I'm sorry, I'll show the other stickers in a minute with you guys, but this is from the $2 bin. So yeah, 60 cents, they ring up at 60 cents. I did find this, and for some reason I didn't pick it up the last time when I was at Michael's. So I decided I was gonna get it because of the little mermaid tail right there. I really like it. And so yeah, and then this is a clam shell. And then a couple of banners. So that was really cute. I did find a lot of puppy stickers over there, but you know, I had gotten a lot already, so I've got, let's see, 4 different ones. Okay, so but I hadn't seen this one at my Michael's, so I did pick this one up. I thought it was so cute, and then I found another unicorn. There's only one left, so so yay, now I can keep one, and then because the other one was for my swap partner, so now I can, you know, keep this one and use it. I didn't find another rainbow, so I did find this one, and it's really cute, but I think I'm gonna, you know, sparkle it up. And then I did find this one, Dream a Little, and I thought this was really cute, so I did pick up that. So yeah, and I did find another unicorn sticker. Now I don't know if this was the same one I picked up from the other Michaels. I think it's different, but I really like the colors of this one. And this was the one that wasn't in the bin, but they're hanging on the sides, you know, of that $2 section. Yeah, this one was hanging, so I wish there was another one, but I don't know. I probably didn't find one because this was the only one I found. And you guys know I'm crazy about unicorns, so I just love these little cute little stickers. So that was a great deal. And then I found this one, and oh look, the little, it's okay, I can glue that back. That belongs here. But I saw these, and I didn't see this at my other Michaels. So I grabbed it, and that was all that I got from the $2 bins. Then let me get to the stickers. So for some reason, when I had gone at my Michael's, I don't know why I was under the impression that all the stickers that were on sale were just the recollection stickers. I don't know why I was under that impression. So everything I picked up was pretty much recollections. And then I was watching Tony's haul, and Tony, who is Craftpurge on YouTube, I'm loving her channel. She's very creative. And I think she even swapped with my friend Sophia. So anyway, she had done a sticker haul, and she picked up a bunch of thickers, and I thought, oh, that's a great idea. So there I was looking at thickers. I did find rose gold. Actually, these aren't even stickers, but they're in the section where they have all the alphas. I did get this alphabet sticker because I absolutely love these small ones. I tend to use these more than the big thickers. And I was there getting ready to find some more thickers, and then I realized, how often do I use thickers? I still have some alpha, like, puffy stickers from Tuesday morning. I've not even touched. And I realized I don't really use a lot of thickers. So I just got this one. I didn't get the thickers. But, I did find other things. So I did look at the Mombi section, which is me and my big ideas. I found these chips, and you get a lot. And how much did this come out to? So for that one though, she only gave me 40% off, which I don't know why. This is regularly $4.99, and she gave it to me for $2.99. discount. Oh no, wait, that wasn't 40% off. She took off $2, so is that right? 5. Huh, I'm not even sure how much she took off, but this came out to $2.99. Regularly $4.99. So I figured it's okay. The girl that was ringing me up, she literally counted like 8 stickers, and anything beyond that, she wasn't giving me 67%. I think she used like my 40% coupon. It was a bit confusing because she had to check with the manager and all that. Anyway, I really like this one. This one is a best friends theme, and you guys know I'm crazy about rose gold right now because of my project that I'm doing right now. So anytime I see rose gold, I'm like, oh, But anyway, you get a lot. So I didn't want to argue with the girl. She was really sweet, and she, this young girl. And so yeah, I wasn't gonna argue. I was just grateful that she checked, because initially she was saying, no, I could only give you, not for the whole purchase, but I can give you like 80% off for one item. And then she was like, well, let me ask. So anyway. A lot of the cashiers, just to let you guys know, they don't know how to ring it up, and I think that's been the problem. And so just have them check with the manager, because eventually they will give it to you, just in case you were having a hard time. But yeah, I still wasn't having luck with like the whole 80%. It was only 67%. Okay, so anyway, back to where I was, because I kind of went off a little bit there. I was watching Tony's channel, who is Craftpurge, and she bought a lot of birthday stickers, and they were just the cutest things, and I love the color, so I went back for some birthday stickers. So I did get this one because I absolutely love the little, what are these? Cake pops. I don't know why it escapes me, but cake pops. And I've made cake pops before, so they're super cute, and they're a little bit too sweet. That's why I stopped making it, but they're great to gift because they're small. I love these. They're so cute, and I love the colors. And someone's always having a birthday, and if it's not my family, it's my daughter's friends. So I did stock up on those. I did look at some unicorn stickers. Like I said, I was on the hunt for a certain unicorn sticker, but I didn't find it. But I did find this one. And I thought, you know, I should just get it. It's white and it has holographics, and I do like the unicorn in it. So, and you do get a bunch of unicorn. So I did grab this one. And then I grabbed 2 more recollections, which is this one here. I think I already have this one with the macaroons. I'm not sure, but it's really cute, and it's not too puff. It's not puffy. They're mostly flat stickers. Some of them are dimensional, some are not. But I like that little unicorn too. I think I have this, but I wasn't sure, so just in case, I did grab that one. And then I saw this one, and I had to have it, you guys. It's so cute, and I have never seen this one at my Michael's. And I just love, look at this balloon right here. I just thought it was really neat. And that yay right there, the puffy letters, I just thought it was super cute. So this was a nice one too, and I'll probably be sharing some of these with my daughter, because like I said, she likes to give birthday gifts to her friends. And then this was the one that I saw, Tony Hall, and I had to have this one, even though I think I might have this one already, but it's just too pretty. I love it. And I love like the other sentiments like Cutie Pie and Make-A-Wish. You know, they don't all have to be birthday. And the cupcakes, and again the little cake, the little candy there. It's not cake pop, that one's candy. This is really cute, so I had to grab a couple of those, you guys. I mean, it was just too cute. And again, I didn't pick these up when I was at my Michael's, because I don't know, I was thinking it had to be recollection stickers for some reason. So, and then here's the other birthday one that I got, which I think Tony also hauled this one, but I really like it because of the happy birthday right here. It's just, I love it. It's super cute, and I love the colors. And I do like the little presents as well, so I didn't want to just get all cupcakes and, you know, balloons, but I like the presents on the bottom, so I picked that up. And then I also had to go to the grocery store, so I did pick up a couple of things. A Sharpie pen, because it wasn't that bad a price, and this is the ultra fine, so I really needed this for work, so I did grab that. And then lastly, I just got tissue paper from the grocery store. It's the American Greetings one. I'm sure I could have gotten this from the Dollar Tree, but that would have been another trip, and I did not want to have to go anywhere else. And these are great colors. I thought the colors were great, and I want to like try to make those confetti that everyone, you know, I've seen some people make. So I thought that was, you know, needed, because I really don't know what, I have a lot of tissue paper, but I don't know if I have like solids like these. And then oh, one more, sorry. Back to Michael's. Oh my gosh, this was like my best find here, because I don't have these stickers. Have you guys seen these stickers? I've never seen them at my Michael's, but look how cute. It's a birthday themed, but there's unicorns all over this one. And look at, they're all pastels. Look at this unicorn right here. Do you guys see? It's kind of hard to see because it's white, but it's this unicorn kind of doing like a birthday dance, blowing on a what do you call those party horns? I don't know, noisemakers. And then it's holding a couple of banners. It's like doing a happy birthday dance. It's so cute. They had like a few of these, but I grabbed just 2. And then this one's cute. Look at that unicorn. And then here's another one. It says, "For me." Celebrate, happy birthday. There's, oh, this one is super cute. Look at that. Is that not adorable? And it's giving me ideas. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing something with that. just giving me inspiration here. And oh, and then there's this one here, a unicorn that's eating a piece of cake or ready to eat. I just thought it was the cutest thing ever. And you get 101 pieces, and they're just pastel colors. I love them. So yeah, that was just like, oh my gosh, I have to have that. I should have probably grabbed more, but you know, I was trying not to be greedy and like get everything. So I seem to be just getting 2 of each. Yeah, that's kind of been what I've been doing. Okay, so then let me see if I have time. I'm at 10 minutes. Oh no, I'm at 5 minutes, I think. Then I got something online. It came. I bought it, and it came. And I've been seeing people haul this pink and mane dye, and it's actually, I've been looking at it myself. And I saw Rosa, I forgot what her channel is, but she got all the large, medium, and small bow dye, and they looked really cute. And I was gonna get the large one, and I had it like saved in my cart a while ago, and then it disappeared. Like, I guess they were out of stock. So I decided to just get the medium one. And I think this was like $9 and something cents. But I just like that you get 2 different tails, and I just like that it's stitched. So not all my bow dyes are stitched, so I thought I'd go ahead and get that. And then I got this one, and this one was a little pricier, but you know, I love it. I just think it's so cute. It's a fairy sitting on a unicorn. I mean, you can't get more magical than that. And this is from Dice to Die For, and this was 10 something, but I guess they have a website. Oh, this one's called Fairy and Unicorn. I got this on Amazon, you guys, but I guess there is a site here. It's from Stacy Lewis, and her shop is, I think that's the owner, shopscrapbook101.com. Now, I've never shopped from this store before, but I think I might have heard of it. So anyway, she gave me a business card here, and oh, there's a 10%. Oh, but it says save 10% in May. Use code June18web. Oh, it expires 6/30, so I can save 10%, I guess, if I use this code. So just in case you guys want to know, I think this is, if you shop at their website, you can use this code. Not on Amazon, okay? But I did get the dye from Amazon. But yeah, so that's where this came from. And I just think it's so cute, and it'll go well with my unicorn theme projects. And that's it. So thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for, you know, watching another one of my haul videos. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!